Hello everyone, welcome back to Simply Your Makeup. My name is V. In today's video, I have taken over a week just to rest and relax, but being very tired because of all the renovations that happened. I end up with laryngitis where you kind of lose your voice, but I am fine. It always sounds worse than it is. I haven't had it in a long time. Trust me, I am fine. I just rested and enjoyed the time with my family. But there is an IG challenge I need to do, and that was due by the end of November. But since I had took a break, I decided I was doing nothing. So you can go follow Lorraine Johnson Coleman on IG. That challenge is the Makeup Queens Challenge, and the one I am supposed to be doing right now was due on the 20th of November, so I'm late, but I am here to deliver. I had all my stuff ready, planned and ready to go, and then construction came and everything got disappeared. I made my own earrings, you'll see that in a few, and we're just gonna jump and get into it, and I'll talk about it as we go. The theme is Tahiti. The colors, where did I write them down? The Makeup Queen Challenge on IG. Lorraine Johnson Coleman, follow her. The colors are deep blue, crystal blue, and black. And like I said, I did everything, but you know, you can plan and other things get in the way, so here I am to do my challenge. And to everyone who put me in the basket to say, yep, go ahead, do it, that is for you. And but this is the deep blue I'm using. What I find out about Tahiti, well, I looked it up and find out Tahiti native language is French. They are called French Polynesia. French Polynesia. That's what's written down, the main language. And they are part of France. I'm so excited to be recording again after a whole week of rest and relaxation. My voice will come back slowly. It usually takes about 3 weeks, 2 to 3 weeks, and then it comes back. But I'm in no pain. I feel fine. I just drink a lot of warm tea. And that's that. Did you know that Tahiti has black sand on the beaches on the East Coast. On the East Coast, they have black sand on the beaches, and on the West Coast, they have white sand. That's what Tahiti beautiful beaches are like. So they have two types, and I know black sand means volcanic activities, because back in the islands there is black sand, and that is what I was told that is what it is. Black sand on one section of the island and white sand on the other side of the island. Just going to do one on camera, and then I'll go back and do the next one off camera, because I don't want a long video. When you have wrinkled skin, just take your time. Take your time, you will get it done. I'll do the other one off camera and I'll be back. I am back to finish the look. I made a couple things with the stones that we were supposed to use. We were supposed to use these colors. So I did make a couple things for that. I made my own earrings. I am back with the complete look. This is the color for the Tahiti challenge or IG challenge. Please check out Lorraine Johnson Coleman on IG. Another cultural thing that in Tahiti, they will also make headgear out of feathers, and they'll also do handmade items with straw. I am going to show you something that they do. This is a little drier than you would use, but I'm just going to show you what they do. So they would braid these to make handmade straws like this. And they have different styles how they braid them, and they will braid them. They have the three, this is the four, they have the three pieces where, you know, they will do three, and it comes out like this. If you look, this is different than this. This is the flat straight one, this is the one almost like it gives you edges. So they have different ways they do it so they can make handmade items. So this is a cultural thing in Tahiti, straw braiding. And the palettes that I used, I used the Uoma Beauty palette. This one is Savage Black Magic. I used this blue and this blue. And from the lipper I use the black one. Really love that black. And for my lips I use Jade by Colored Rain liquid lip color. And for my other blue I went into the Queendom palette by Urban Vibez. I went back into this beautiful blue, and to give me a different shade of, like if you look there, like a different kind of shade, almost like it was green but not, I went into this palette and I took this color right here and this color right here and I mixed them. And this is from the Violet Voss Like a Boss palette. Those are the 3 palettes I use. Well, 4 really, 3 palettes and a quad. Today's word is expression. Don't forget to express yourself. Express yourself in the way that makes you feel happy and content. Life is really, really short. While renovating and cleaning and moving stuff, I came across my friend's paperwork when she died. That was 20 years ago. 20. I could not believe how fast time went by. Don't wait for anyone for you to do what you need to do. Do what you got to do, because when you die today or tomorrow, no one will be able to say, oh, they should die, tell them to wait to do this and they didn't do that. Do what you have to do. It's not hurting you and it's not hurting others. Go ahead for it and do it and have fun. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty, take care of self. And I, Simply You Makeup, will see you in another video. My Tahiti look. Love it. I love it. I love it. One of these days I might end up in Tahiti. I don't like traveling anymore, so I don't know if that'll happen. But in the meantime, I'll keep dreaming. And I am saying bye. Bye, bye, bye. See you. See you. See you soon. Again, express yourself. This came out really nice. After a week off, wow. Still got it, girl. You still got it. Play with your makeup. Play with. I hope you're still playing with your makeup. I hope you took your palettes out and you're having a ball. Keep having fun. Time waits for none of us. Use it now. I made my own earrings. According to how you move it, you can see the different shift to match my makeup.